How to use cartoon effect in Picsart. Want to turn your photos into a fun cartoon? Here's how to do it in Picsart. First, open your image, then head to the Effects tab in the toolbar. Scroll to find the Magic or Artistic category and look for filters like Cartoonizer, Neopop or Comic. Click one to preview it on your image. Some add bold lines, others have smooth pastel tones. Once you have picked your favorite, fine-tune the intensity, contrast, or color saturation using the sliders. You can even edit parts of the effect to blend with the original photo for a mixed look. Click apply, then hit export to save or share your cartoon masterpiece. Which cartoon effect style fits your vibe best? Bold lines or soft paint? Let me know in the comments below. Close up, high quality portraits give the best cartoon results. And that's how you can use cartoon effect in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.